Hey everyone, I'm John from ViewSonic, and today I'd like to walk you through how to load your Navori CMS application via USB. A quick shout out to our manager service. That is a great option to deploy that if you have your display enrolled through our online management platform. But if not, you can load the application this way. So let's walk through that together. But first, two quick caveats. One, this is a signage CMS application. We need to have an active internet connection. So in this case, I've already configured a Wi-Fi connection. The other caveat is that we need to allow the installation of unknown sources. So that's anything that's not a native application supplied out of the box from ViewSonic. So let's walk through how to do that real quick. We're going to head over to our main settings application here, down to device, over to signage display, select that, and let's scroll down. We'll come back to this one, but down here to unknown sources. Going to check that, going to accept that we are opening up the installation of third-party applications and that we accept any potential security risks. And from there, we can now go back to our home screen. Now you need to have this APK application from Navori on a FAT32 formatted USB drive. You haven't seen it, but I have already connected that behind the display. We're going to navigate to our file manager or folders application here. We'll see our USB flash drive here. Select that. And now we are looking for our Navori conductor application. Do we want to install? I think we do. Let's go ahead and confirm. Application has installed. We can go ahead and open it. And now we are right here at activation. And from here, you can take over the process within your Navori instance and claim this device as an endpoint. But there's one additional step that I wanted to come back to. Let's go back home. You will notice that the home screen and some of the menus have changed a little bit. That's because Navori has chosen to implement full control over the DPI settings on our display. So everything is being rendered at native resolution. We're going to go back into that same settings, then device, and back into signage display. And I know this might be a little hard to read, but what we're going to do is take a look at source setting and custom app. What this allows us to do is define an application that will then show up as an input source in the input list that you can toggle through with the button on your remote. This gives you fast access directly back to this application. So in this case, we're going to select an app, in this case, Navori Conductor, and save. So now, if I hit my input button, and it's going to be hard to see, but I choose custom, it brings me right back here, just as easily as switching between HDMI inputs. And that's how to load via USB the Navori CMS application.